This video is about DOF Cortx integration. How does a good Cortx integration work? Since Seagate's Cortx provides data manage and catalog solution, an integration has to be more than just saving and loading data. Each cloud service is capable to store data. So a good integration handles metadata with features like cataloging and searching. Is it possible to connect into Cortx two different AI frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch at the same time, while the stored data can support Elasticsearch to get better searchability and feature-rich data mining support? Yes, it is possible with a special gateway model like DOF. DOF is a file format and an acronym for Deep Model Core Output Framework. It is a continuously developed hackathon winner project to provide flexible dataset management. The main functions of the integration are uploading, searching, and downloading. Users can save and retrieve different datasets and different stages of the same dataset very easily. Stages of dataset can be raw data, preprocessed data, or data forwarded through headless pre-trained models like VGGs or ResNets. Headless model is a web pre-trained network without the last classifier layer. Aside from the actual data, datasets can hold many additional information, like license, contact to authors, preprocessing steps, model setup, weights and biases. This way datasets can be easily used for more detailed training or transfer learning. Let's say NASA decides to create datasets from pictures and sensor data collected on Mars. First, they have to collect all the data and additional information. At the moment, they store each dataset description in a different JSON file. It looks like they have to search in each dataset separately. This is the step where DOF and Cortx come into play. Raw data and the information is the first dataset in a DOF file uploaded into Cortx. Data scientists usually apply preprocessing steps like filtering, removing bias, or making transformation. This preprocessed data is now a different dataset with partially inherited information from the raw dataset. It can be uploaded in a DOF file to Cortx again. In the next step, NASA's researchers can use the preprocessed data to make classifications or predictions. Because of DOF, it doesn't matter if they are PyTorch or TensorFlow fans, they can use the same preprocessed data. Thanks for Cortx, they could access all the data almost everywhere. If NASA wants to optimize training further, they'll use pre-trained models. Their output can serve again as a source of new datasets. NASA scientists can easily share everything with their colleagues from ESA, JAXA or Roscosmos through Cortx. Let's suppose NASA decides to share preprocessed images from Mars in an open project. They run images through a pre-trained network, for example VGG16. A famous autonomous car company called Edison downloads those headless model data and makes a transfer learning to create a new self-driving rover to Mars. For more information and detailed documentation, please check the project's GitHub or DevPost pages. Thanks for watching.